Hi, I'm Mario, and I want to show you the new software for the real-time task controller RTC 9000 series. So the software is not connected to the controller, and we can pop up the menu for the first actuator. This is the first actuator. You can see number changing. And this is the second actuator. And here we can change the position, position, and here we can set the full stroke of the actuator. But today I want to show you how to set up the sensors. So go to Setup and click on Open Sensor Settings tool. Okay. Here for the axial testing systems, we have 6 analog input channels and 2 encoders. At the moment, the encoders are not connected, so we can work on this 6 analog input channel. The first input is analog input 0. We can change here the name if we have a serial of the sensor. Here we can change the name of the sensor. Here the measure unit. Here if we want the sign inverted, so we can check this, and this will be inverted. Okay, this is the voltage analog input. This is the offset. We can put here 0 at the moment, and the sensitivity to 1. So this is voltage, the output of the sensor. If the sensitivity is 1, the output of the sensor is voltage. So this is the sensor fully retracted, and this is the sensor all extended. So 0 volts to 9 volts about. These are the digital number of digital values after the decimal point that we want to show in the main software. This is the button for the inverted PID. If the command to the servo valve or the driver of an electric motor is not correct, and the actuator goes to the opposite side that we want, we have to push this button. Now this is, for the first actuator, an actuator with 50 millimeters stroke. So the output is about 10 volts. So every volt is about 5 millimeters. Yeah, now that we have set this sensitivity, here we have the engineering unit as output. You can see that with the actuator fully retracted, it's not 0, because the electric 0 is not perfect. So we can push this button, absolute tare, that null the offset. Okay, I suggest to do this action after 5-10 minutes that the controller is switched on. So all thermical changes are quite constant, and this 0 will not change versus time. I know that the full stroke is 50 millimeters, so I adjust the sensitivity in order to find exactly 50 millimeters as output. This is so 0 and 50. Here I can put what I want, meters, but the sensitivity is millimeters. Here I can change the name, the serial code of the sensor. Then I can save to default, or I can save settings to a file, so I can recall them later. So save to default and then exit. Then I go here. So my first actuator, this is the output of the sensor. Okay. To exit the software, exit. This is the serial number of the hardware, and this is the version of the software, and then exit. See you to next tutorial.